how much can you earn in crypto rewards? Well, we have to talk about two separate things here. First, the sign-up bonus offer, and then the ongoing rewards tiers. For starters, the sign-up bonus offer is extremely straightforward. You can get $200 in crypto, any of the 50 plus you choose, when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. But the stickler is you must be approved by June 30th of 2025 for this, so make sure you click the link to jump on this right away. That amount of spending is basically $1,000 a month, and you can pay off your balance before your due date in the app to avoid any interest payments. But more importantly, long term, here's the details on the rewards tiers. You get 4% crypto back on gas purchases and EV charging. So right off the bat, that is insanely good and better than most credit cards on the market today. Then you get 3% crypto back on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on everything else. As someone who's been using my Discover It credit card for close to a decade now, earning just 1% flat cash back, I will tell you that I'm going to start daily driving this Gemini credit card.